Amid a grueling schedule at school in preparation for a career in foreign service, 24-year-old South Korean Kim Min-sung takes as many side gigs as he can. That is to fund his other preoccupation, day trading.
저는 이제 계좌를 두 개로 나눠서 운영하고 있는데 하나는
I have two trading accounts, one to make seed money to buy a property one day, and the other is for a more aggressive investing to hopefully achieve financial independence and retire early sooner than later.
불려가지고 경제적인 자유를 누릴 수 있는 그런 계좌 두 종류로 나눠서 운영을 하고 있습니다.
Kim says he's unfazed by this month's volatility, with stocks seesawing wildly amid the war in the Middle East. And he is far from alone. South Korea's retail investors are known locally as ants, individually small but collectively mighty, and they have turbocharged a world-beating doubling in the country's benchmark Kospi index over 6 months. It rallied to an all-time peak on February 27th, a day before war broke out in the Middle East. On March 4th, the index plunged 12%, its biggest daily loss ever. But instead of cashing out, the nation's 14 million ants have doubled down. This month saw average daily trading volume go above 40 trillion won, or almost $27 billion for the first time. On Monday alone, retail investors bought a record $4.6 billion worth of stocks, even as the Kospi slumped 6.5%. Kwon Sun-kook, a full-timer at a retail company in Seoul, used this month's sell-off to buy more stocks at a discount.
아무래도 가장 큰 단어는 그냥
The biggest keyword here, I think, is uncertainty. I am in a situation filled with uncertainty and risk where I don't know when my employment might end, when my paychecks could stop, or how much financial support my child will require, if I have one.
불확실한 상황들이니까
Some analysts caution against overenthusiasm amid the geopolitical uncertainty. Xia Sung-young of Mirae Asset Securities says if the war drags on, the economy will inevitably face significant disruption.
South Korea is very dependent on exports, making it inherently sensitive to external factors. So if the global economy contracts, South Korea's exports will fall, leading to a fall in corporate profits and, naturally, stock prices as well.
On Friday morning, the Kospi was down another 3%, but that probably didn't worry the ants.